Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall AVG Antivirus cleanly on macOS, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall AVG Antivirus cleanly on macOS, begin by ensuring that you are logged into your Mac with an administrator account. Next, close AVG Antivirus if it is currently running. Locate the AVG Antivirus icon in the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click on the AVG icon, then select Open AVG. In the AVG window, navigate to the AVG menu situated in the top left corner of your screen. From the AVG menu, choose Uninstall AVG. A prompt will appear, asking for confirmation to proceed with the uninstallation. Click on Uninstall to continue. You may be prompted to enter your administrator password. Input your password, then click OK to authorize the uninstallation. Allow the uninstallation process to complete. This may take a few moments. After the uninstallation is finished, you will receive a confirmation message. Close the AVG uninstallation window. Next, open Finder by clicking on its icon in your dock. In the Finder menu, select Go and then choose Go to Folder. Type in /library application support/ and press Enter. Look for any AVG folders that may remain in this directory and delete them. Return to the Go to Folder dialog and type in /library/launchagents/. Check for any AVG related files and remove them if found. Now, go to /library/launchdaemon/ and review this folder for any AVG files to delete. Finally, empty your trash to completely remove all AVG files from your system. Restart your Mac to ensure all changes take effect and your system runs smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.